What's up, guys? I got a big cooler full of humongous shrimp, 10-15 counts. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking those apart, cleaning them up, getting them ready to go freeze. I'm going to put the heads in a boiling pot. I'm going to make some shrimp stock. We can use that for the flounder soup and stuff later on in the year. I've got some onions in there right now. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. I'm probably going to get a couple peppers from the garden too, like a poblano and a couple jalapenos, something like that. Then we're going to drop the heads, the shell part of the heads, down in there and let it boil, get the juice off of it. And then in a later video, I'm going to make some flounder soup. You're going to love it. Y'all haven't already, like and subscribe. Got more content coming your way. I went out to the garden and I got a couple peppers. I got 2 jalapenos and 1 poblano. We got the onions, the salt and pepper. I'm starting to put the shrimp heads in there as I'm cleaning them. Now I've got a separate bowl here for soft shells. We got this one for sea spiders, and I've got the big bucket here to put the whole shrimp, the body of the shrimp in. That way it'll be just enough for a bowl for about 4 people. I'm going to continue cleaning these bad boys up because I got a lot more to do, and I'll keep you posted how everything kind of turns out. I just turned the heat on this one and let it start cooking, and like I said, every time I clean a shrimp, I'm just going to drop the head in there and let it keep cooking and boiling so it kind of boils down a little bit, and it's going to be fantastic. The shrimp cleaned up, got all the heads in there boiling. I don't have it on a heavy boil, it's just a real light boil. I'm going to leave it on there for probably about an hour or 2 and just get all that goodness out of the shrimp heads for the flavor for the flounder soup. I got a few soft shells and I peeled a few of them for dinner tonight. The rest of them I got put up in the freezer. So yeah, that's gonna be real good. I'll bring you back when we get a little bit closer to being done. Looks like we got everything pretty well cooked down here and the stock's about ready. I'm gonna take my little scoop here and get all the heads out of it. Kind of strain it off here in just a second. So I'll be right back with you when I get done with that. Alright, and that's it. That's your shrimp stock right there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it back up to a boil, kind of simmer it down just a little bit, reduce it by just about, I don't know, maybe a 1/5 or a 1/10 or something like that, just to get it a little more concentrated. But that's basically it. All you got to do to make shrimp stock. Got all the heads out over here, cooling off. Well, I'll put them in the garbage can. There you go. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Leave some comments. If you got any questions, let me know.